Alright, welcome back guys to Yato Academy 2025 MAT100 tutorial sheet 1. We continue from where we ended. Okay. Okay guys, so our first question, it is question 6. Where it is saying let A be the universal set and B be equal to that C, and we have B there. So we are saying that let this set be its intersect. Illustrate each of the following set on the number line. Okay, let's start. We see how we can illustrate these questions on the number line. So on question 6, okay, so question 6, so we have been told to say the universe, it is from negative infinity to infinity, which is not included. Then we have A here, it is not included, where we have -1 not included. Then we have 6, which is included. Then there we have B, where 0 not included, and 4 not included. Then we have C, where 4 it is included, and infinity, which is not included. Okay, so we have been told, so if it's to illustrate this set on the Venn diagram, we simply say we shall do like this, where we have negative infinity from there, then we have 0 there. We can write 4. We can write here 4. We have 6. We can have -1, so we can put 0 there, -1 there. We have 4 there, and 6. All right. Okay. So from here we can see to say from negative infinity to positive infinity, it is not included. It is like this. So we won't shade this diagram. So from here we can see to say A, it is from 1 to 6. So this is the universe. So here 6, it is included. That is set A. Then set B, we can clearly say that it is from 0 then to 4, where both 0 and 4 are not included. Then we have C again, where it is from 4 to, okay, so 4, it is going to infinity. So from 4 clearly see to say it is from to infinity. like this. Okay, so this is the whole set that are here. So now we have been told now to find a minus c. So let's see how we can solve this. So this is how we can illustrate all these sets on this Venn diagram. Now let's answer the questions. De Morgan's law, we can clearly see here to say when a minus c, it is the same as a intersection c complement. Okay, then from here we can see to say a c complement, it will be equal to negative infinity up to 4. So how do we illustrate this on the Venn diagram? We write our line there where negative infinity to positive infinity. Then from there we know to say a, it only have -1, which is not included, up to 6, which is included. Then c complement, as you can see here, c complement, it is from here. But before we go to c complement, let's see how we can let's write them on this diagram. C, it is from 4, it is included, then infinity there. Okay, so we can write this down. Remember this one, it is a square bracket. So you can clearly see here to say we have infinity there, and we have another plus negative infinity to infinity there. Then we can say from a, it is from 1, -1, so we can put -1 here. Then we can also put our 4 here, we can also put our 6 here. So we can see that a, it is from 1, which is not included, to 6, which is included. We do like this. So this is a. Then c, we can clearly say that it is from 4, which is included, all the way to positive infinity. Then we have been told to say we have to show a intersection c complement. So c complement, it will be from here, since this is our c. So c complement, it will be from here up to this side. Okay, so this will be our c complement. Then the intersection of a and c, it is simply it's just here, meaning that you have shown on the number line a intersection c complement. Okay, let's see how we can do the next question. So on the next question, it is like you have b complement intersection c complement. This, it is the same as b union b union c, then complement outside. Okay, so from here we know to say we'll write our number line here where you have negative infinity to positive infinity. So we can write down here where we have our c. We know c is from 4, infinity. Then our B, like on the from the question, B is from 0 to 4. Okay, so we can show this now on the Venn diagram where we have 4 like this. Okay, so if we put this on the Venn diagram, it will be like our B, it will be from 0 to 4, which are not included. Then our C, it is from 4, which is included, all the way to positive infinity. So we want to find where these sets there, the complement of this A union C. So what do we do from here? We can simply say, or in other way, like the way it is here is the same as we're just finding the intersection of B complement and C complement. So we can see here from here, since this is our C, so our C complement, it will be here like this. And this will be our C complement. Again, B, it will be this part all the way to there, which will be included, since on the B it is not included. Then another part, it will be included from there all the way to that. So this one will be our B complement. Even this one will be our B complement. Okay, so where are they intersecting? A, B, and the C complement. We can clearly see to say this complement, they are intersecting from here. Okay, from here now, we can clearly say that okay, so from here now, we can start now answering the follow-up questions. Let's see how we can answer this question, since we have come up with the illustration of the whole universe. Okay, so this is what we can do. So question 1, it is saying, question 1, there is a minus C, which simply means A is equal to C complement. Then from there, we know to say our A, it is from -1, which is not included, to 6, and our C, it is from 4, it is included, sorry, then up to infinity. Okay, then from there now we can draw our number line, where we'll say okay, then from here we can put them on the number line. We have -1 there, then we have 4 there, and we have 6. Then from here we can draw them to say -1, that is our A, to 6. Don't forget to put the infinity here like this. So this is our A, not included. Then our C, it is from 4 up all the way to the infinity, which is included. So we want to find the intersection of these two sets. Okay, so what is the intersection of these two sets where they are meeting? So here we can clearly say that so this is our C. And if this is our C, meaning that our C complement, it will be from here up to all the way to the what? To the negative infinity. So this will be our C complement. Then we can see that these guys, they are meeting here. So that is our intersection. Okay, so our C complement, it will be now negative infinity and 4. Okay, let's go to the next question, where you have B intersection C, which is equal to B union C complement. It can be like this or like that. Okay, so here we can see again from the question that B, it is like from 0, which is not included, to 4. Then we have C, where it will be 4, negative infinity. Then from here we can come up now with our number line. Oh, pardon my handwriting. Okay, so this is our where 0 is. Then we have 6 there. I mean we have 4. Then there we have 6. Okay. Then from there we can say our B, it is from 0 to 4, which are both not included. Then from C we have 4, which is included, all the way to positive infinity. Okay, so if you want to write a B complement, it simply means it will be from here, which it will be included, all the way to infinity. Don't forget that here there is infinity, and there is positive infinity. So it will be here up to there. This one will be our B complement. Then again from here up to somewhere there to that side, this one again it will be our B complement. Then our C complement, it will be just from here all the way to there. This will be our C complement. Then from there, where are these sets intersecting? Where C complement and B complement? Here we can clearly see to say or we can use this where the union of these sets, they are intersecting, meaning that it will be from here. This is where the union of these two sets, like this. Okay, so let me just write it clear here, where you have negative infinity, you have infinity there, then there is 0, you have 4, and you have 6. So 0 to 4, like that. This is our B. Then our C, it is from 4 all the way to infinity. That is our C. Then our B complement, we are showing it here, so that here it will be included all the way to there. This will be our B complement. And from there, it will also be included all the way to there. This one again, it will be our B complement. Then our C complement, like we have said, it will be from there up to there. So the union of this, it is just here. I hope it is clear now. Okay, let's see the next question. So so let's see this question again, where you have this one. So this question, it is the same as, we can simplify it as A complement intersection, union B complement, like this. Okay, so as we are aware that A intersection B, it will be just like 0, 4. Okay, so here we can clearly see to say our A, it is as usual which is -1, -1 which is not included, then you have 6 which is included, then you have b there where you have 0 again, comma 4. All of them, they are not included, so we can come up with our number, right? Pardon my handwriting, let me just start afresh. Okay, so you write there negative infinity, positive infinity. So here we have 0 here, 0, then we have 4 and 6. Okay, so we can write down this where we are going to have from 0 to 4, it is 0 to 4, this is our b, which are both not included. Then we have a from -1 to 6, like this. So this is our 6, where 6 it is included. So we want now to find the intersection of these. So a complement, it will be just from here, which here it will be included all the way to there, and from there it won't be included there. So this is our a complement, and that one will be our a complement. Then our b complement, it will be from there all the way to infinity there, where we have here it will be included, since here it is not included. So b complement, then from there again all the way where again it will be included, this will be our b complement. So we want to find where these guys are uniting. So you find that they don't meet what anywhere, so we can illustrate them just like they will be like this. So it will be just like that. Infinity, then we have 4 there and 6. So we can clearly say that these guys, they are not meeting anywhere. It will be just like this. That's all. That's the end of the question. Let's see the follow-up question. So on these guys, you need to be very careful. You really need to be very careful, and you have to be fast. I'm taking too long because I'm explaining, but if you are alone, you are writing a quiz, test, or an exam, you need to be very fast because they take time and you have to think fast. Okay, let's see the follow-up question. So here we can conclude to say A intersection B complement, it will be just from negative infinity to 0, then union 4 will be included to negative infinity. Okay, let's see the follow-up question, which says express each. So the question is express each of the following number as a fraction in the form of p over q, where p and q are the integers with q should not be equal to 0 in its lowest term. So let's try to express this. We see how to solve it. Okay, so we have 4.3, which 3 is saying that maybe they are also repeating numbers there, which are 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so from there, what we need to do here, we have to let x to be equal to 4, 2, like this. Then we look at the number of decimals, the number of decimal places which are here. We only have 1 digit. So if there are 2 digits, it will be 100. If there is 1, it is 10. If there are 3, mean that it will be 1,000. So since here there is 1, so meaning that our equation 1, this will label it as our equation 1. Then we look at the number of digits here which are after the decimal, which is 1. So we'll let again 10x, that will be equal to 443. We move this decimal to the other side. That will be 43.3, like that one. Then we'll make this as our equation 2. Okay, so from there you subtract now. You subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so from there now, then from there we can take it up from there where we say, okay, this 10 we subtract it with the x, then that one will be equal to 43.3. we'll subtract it again by 3.3, like this. So if we subtract this one and that one, it will give us 0. Then here we'll have 9x, which is equal to, here we say 43.3 minus 4.3, we are going to have 0. Then we get 1 there, we're going to have 9, then we have 3 there. So it's the same as here, we have 39. Then from there we can divide 9, we cancel that one. Then we are going to have x is equal to what number that can go into this without leaving any remainder. So we can clearly see here, we can say 3 here, it will be 3 there, 1, 3 there, it will be 3, which it will be just be equal to 13 over 3, like that. So if there is no any lowest common denominator number that can go into 13 and 3, then we can just leave it here. Okay, so let's see the follow-up question. Okay guys, let's see how we can solve this one. So this one again, we can look at first how many digits are after the decimal before the repeating decimals. So we have 2 zeros here, which we can take the decimal, or we can put it there. Then we are going to have, so we are going to let x be equal to 200.1, like that. So how many, so how many decimal places there have we moved? We have only moved it 2 times, so meaning that here we are going to have 100 instead of just x. So we are going to have 100x, like that. Then this one will make it as our equation 1. Then equation 2, we are going to count again 1, 2, 3. So we are going to have 2, 1, 2, 3, x should be equal to 2001.1. This one will make it as our equation 2. Then from there we subtract this equation from that equation. So if we subtract 1000x minus 100x, which is equal to 2001.1 minus 200.1, Then from there we know to say if we subtract that one, we're going to have 900x. Then from there it is clearly to say if we subtract that from that, we're going to have, there it is 0, so 1 minus that one to be 0, 0, 0 to be 0. Then there we know that it can't, we get 1 from there, we remain with 1, then we have 8, then there we have 9. Okay, so from there now we can clearly say that we have these numbers. We have 900x, which is equal to 108. Then from there we can divide both sides by 900. From there 900, this one and that one will go, we're going to remain with the 0, 0, 0, 0. Our answer to be just B2. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. For more solutions you can contact this line below, 097 8739038. So you can call this line to register with us as Year 2 Academy, and the more solution they will be sent to you immediately if you register. There is also the BC payable, whereby you can start learning for now, then you pay when you register. I mean, you will pay when you receive your BC if you are on the BC. So per month it is 137. Then per semester for all courses it is 600 kwacha. You learn up to the day that you will be writing your test 1. So if you want more solutions, you can just register with us as Year 2 Academy. Then more solutions will be sent to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, Sir Joshua.